how to redeem codes in Brawlhalla Mobile. The first things first is access the game, but before you access it and log into your account, you've got to make sure that your Brawlhalla Mobile is going to be updated to the latest version. Because if you're going to be using the old version, then the redeem code option might be not available. So just make sure that you updated it and just access the game and log into your account. Now, once you are here on the Brawlhalla dashboard, all you have to do next is go to the store. So tap on store. So as you can see, this is going to be your purchases area. So you can purchase chests, legends, crossovers, skins, colors, ranked, KO effects, and so on and so forth. Now, for you to be able to manually input the code that you have, you should be able to see a gear icon below the yellow highlighted option that says buy coins. So at the lower right portion of that option is going to be your gear icon. So tap on that and you should be seeing two options in here. So that's going to be purchases and redeem code. Now all you have to do is to tap on redeem code, and that's the time that you can enter the code and take advantage of the promotion that you have. And that's it. That's how you redeem code in Brawlhalla Mobile.